There are thousands of cryptocurrencies in the market, and in this video, let's explore the top 50 together. Welcome to Whiteboard Invest, your #1 go-to source for clear and concise investing knowledge explanation. Here, we break down complex financial concepts using a simple whiteboard format, making learning about investing accessible to everyone. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, is like digital gold you can't touch, but you can send it via email. Tether, USDT, is like having digital $1 bills to use in the crypto world. Ethereum is like Bitcoin's smart younger brother. It's worth more than Coca-Cola and Nike combined. Ethereum has something called smart contracts, which are like little programs that let people create apps and games directly on the blockchain. BNB is the crypto token for Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world. Solana is a super speedy blockchain built for big, fast apps. It supports major players like Google, Discord, Meta, and Stripe. XRP. Imagine XRP as the fast-track service banks use to send money across borders. It's speedy, hassle-free, and cost-effective. Plus, XRP's recent legal victory has increased trust in its reliability. Dogecoin, originating from a Shiba Inu meme, has earned its place as the people's cryptocurrency. Beginning as a playful idea, it has now become one of the world's largest cryptocurrencies. Ton Coin is the native token of the Open Network, an open-source platform accessible through the Telegram app. Cardano resembles the eco-friendly smart city of the crypto realm. It operates on a distinct proof-of-stake system that reduces energy consumption by minimizing the computing power needed to run its network. SNEC holds the title of the largest token on the Cardano network, serving as a prominent meme coin and a widely embraced community-owned brand. SUI operates like the express lane in the crypto world, where transactions occur almost instantly and at minimal cost. It's ideal for apps and games requiring swift movement. VeChain is a blockchain designed to help businesses track real-world products from production to final delivery. It's utilized by companies like BMW, DHL, and Bayer to ensure products reach their destinations seamlessly. Maker and its network are designed to maintain the value of another cryptocurrency called DAI. DAI is a stablecoin worth exactly $1, but what makes it unique is that it's community-owned. Shiba Inu, another dog-themed meme coin, is worth billions of dollars. Bonk, yet another dog-themed meme coin, is valued in the billions of dollars. Dog with Hat, a fourth dog-themed meme coin featuring a canine with a hat, is also worth billions of dollars. Its community raised $690,000 to secure a feature on the Vegas Sphere. Arweave is a platform enabling users to earn by leasing their computer's unused storage. It strives to establish the permaweb, a robust, decentralized network for securely storing data long-term. Render is a platform where users earn by leasing their computer's additional GPU compute power. It aims to build an efficient network for rendering large-scale visual effects and AI projects. BitTensor is a platform where users can earn by contributing to the development of a vast, decentralized artificial intelligence system. Monero is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that ensures your financial transactions remain untraceable and secure. Optimism is a digital currency designed to accelerate and reduce costs on the Ethereum network. It utilizes Layer 2 scaling technology to efficiently handle Ethereum transactions at lower fees and faster speeds. Arbitrum is another Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution aimed at enhancing transaction efficiency and reducing costs on the Ethereum network. Mantle is yet another Ethereum scaling solution focused on improving transaction throughput and efficiency on the Ethereum network. Indeed, there are numerous cryptocurrencies and scaling solutions, just like there are many banks to choose from. Each cryptocurrency or solution offers unique features and advantages, much like how banks cater to different preferences and needs among customers. And this brings us to Stacks. Stacks is a Layer 2 solution that stands out by enabling application development on the Bitcoin blockchain. It's also noteworthy for being the first token offering ever approved by the SEC. OKB is the utility token of the OKX ecosystem, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally. Holding OKB grants users access to discounts and exclusive benefits on the platform. KCS KCS is the utility token of the KuCoin ecosystem, another prominent cryptocurrency exchange. Unised Leo. Unised Leo. Leo is the utility token for the Bitfinex cryptocurrency exchange. The name Unised Leo refers to one of Aesop's fables. In the fable, a lioness and a pig discuss their offspring. The pig boasts about having many children, while the lioness mentions having only one. The lioness then remarks, "Only one, but a lion. Quality over quantity." The first digital USD. The first digital USD is another stablecoin worth exactly $1, backed 1-to-1 by the US dollar. The graph. The graph acts like a Google for blockchains, enabling applications to efficiently discover and utilize data stored on various blockchains. Kronos is a fast and cost-effective open-source blockchain developed by Crypto.com, designed specifically to support decentralized finance, DeFi, and gaming applications. Stellar. Stellar is a convenient network for fast and inexpensive cryptocurrency transactions, with transaction costs averaging around 10 cents, significantly lower than many other networks. Caspa, not to be confused with Ghost, is often referred to as Bitcoin 2.0. It utilizes a technology called block DAG, enabling simultaneous processing of multiple transactions, thereby enhancing scalability. Cosmos. Cosmos serves as the bridge between various blockchain networks, functioning as a universal translator that fosters seamless interaction and efficiency across the crypto ecosystem. Filecoin. Filecoin operates like the Airbnb for digital storage, allowing users to rent out spare storage space to earn money or pay to store their files on others' computers. This ensures data security and accessibility, similar to Arweave. Hedera. Hedera uses a unique technology called Hashgraph, which is more efficient than traditional blockchains. Hedera can process a high volume of transactions per second, with low fees and robust security measures in place. Aptos is a project utilizing a distinctive programming language called Move. It aims to deliver a powerful blockchain platform with exceptionally fast transactions and advanced security features. Immutable. Immutable is envisioned as the ultimate marketplace for gaming and NFTs, providing a seamless and cost-effective platform for trading unique digital items without the burden of high fees or slow transaction times. Ethereum Classic, distinct from Ethereum, maintains the original blockchain's history and principles. It supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, while preserving the foundational aspects of the original Ethereum network. Internet Computer. Internet Computer is envisioned as the next evolution of the Internet, where everything operates on a decentralized and secure blockchain. This opens up new possibilities for creating and running online services, including websites, data management, and e-commerce, among others. Litecoin. Litecoin is crafted to serve as the counterpart to Bitcoin, often referred to as silver to Bitcoin's gold. It operates similarly to Bitcoin but distinguishes itself by processing transactions faster and with reduced fees, making it ideal for everyday use in transactions. Uniswap. Uniswap functions as a peer-to-peer marketplace for cryptocurrencies, enabling direct trading between users without intermediaries. This type of platform, known as a decentralized exchange, DX, also offers opportunities for users to earn through lending, staking, or participating in liquidity pools. These activities play a crucial role in the decentralized exchange ecosystem. PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is the largest decentralized exchange, DEX, on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC network. Curve Finance. Curve Finance is the largest decentralized exchange, DX, based on the total amount of funds deposited into the platform. Pepe. Pepe is a meme coin inspired by frogs rather than dogs. Polygon. Polygon is a proof-of-stake scaling solution that operates alongside Ethereum. It offers fast and cost-effective transactions utilizing Matic as its native token. The Near protocol is a user-friendly platform designed to enhance accessibility to decentralized applications, dApps. It offers a streamlined user experience and rapid transaction processing. Bitcoin Cash is often seen as an upgraded version of Bitcoin, specifically tailored for quick and low-cost everyday transactions. This makes it more practical for daily purchases compared to Bitcoin. Chainlink. Chainlink acts as the crucial bridge between blockchain technology and the real world. enabling smart contracts in cryptocurrencies to access essential data, such as weather reports or stock prices. This integration significantly enhances the functionality and utility of smart contracts. Polkadot. Polkadot is a protocol designed to connect previously isolated blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, enabling seamless transfer of data and assets across different networks. This interoperability enhances the overall connectivity and functionality of blockchain ecosystems. Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain aiming to compete with Ethereum by offering faster transactions and improved scalability. If you think there are other crypto I should cover, let me know in the comments below. If you're enjoying this content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It only takes a moment, but it means a lot to me. You can also explore my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.